Good day, KCANs! This is Cassandra Luis Esprias from 7 Giting. Today, I am going to make my pH indicator. Let's start! First, we need water and turmeric powder. Then, we put the turmeric powder into the water and we mix it. Vinegar is our first experiment. Then we put the turmeric water into the vinegar.
Wow!
And then we mix it. Look at that! It's an acid. Our second experiment is toothpaste. We put the turmeric water into the toothpaste and we mix it. Look at that! It's an alkaline.
Wow!
For our third experiment is soap water. We put the turmeric water in the soap water and we mix it. Look, it's an alkaline.
Wow!
For our last experiment is detergent. We put the turmeric water into the detergent and we mix it. Look, it's an alkaline. That's all. Thank you for watching.